Combine the milk. Which milk? Does it mean every milk? So today I'm doing a recipe swap with Diana from the Mexico office. And I was thinking, what do I send Diana? I was like, what's the most American dessert? It's apple pie, right? It's the phrase, it's as American as apple pie. But then I realized I live in New York. What is more New York than a cheesecake? But also, everyone's making banana bread these days. So we found a banana bread cheesecake recipe, and I sent that to Diana, and I hope it turns out well, because I have no idea if that's gonna be good.
Hi everyone, this is Jus from Rimi en Español team. I sent to him a very classic recipe from Mexico, tres leches cake. It's the best cake ever, also it's my favorite cake. You can find this in every party, like birthday parties, quinceañera parties, we party a lot. And always we have tres leches cake.
I've never made a tres leches cake before, but in the name it says tres leches, which I'm no Spanish expert, but I'm pretty sure that means 3 milks, and I see 5 milks here. So, what's up, Mexico?
Hey guys, are you ready to start baking? We're gonna choose our best bananas. Just mash her up with a fork. I love how bananas smell. Reminds me of my childhood.
So it says to start by whisking the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and the cinnamon. So I got some flour. Whoop. I'm already making a mess. I'm a professional whisker. Just like a cat's. Jellicle songs for Jellicle cats, Jellicle songs.
So now that your bananas looks like this, we're going to add a half cup of sugar, our vanilla, stir.
So next we're gonna beat the eggs and the sugar together in an electric mixer until they're light and fluffy and they've doubled in size. It'll be like a magic trick. Oh no. Oh, this one's very broken. Oh boy. Okay, no, oh, a little shell in there. A little shell. Oh! There we go. This is like doing surgery on a grape.
You do this. I love cinnamon. It's like the best ingredient ever. Let's give a little shake. And this is ready to go to the oven. Let's do our cheesecake.
That has grown in size just like I did from the ages of 0 to 10, drastically. I'm gonna fold that in. I don't have a spatula. Please leave your comments about that. Combine the milk. Which milk? But I don't know which milk it means. Does it mean every milk? I think that just means the whole milk.
The time has come. It's time to make the cheesecake. Don't be nervous, chill out. A lot of cream cheese, as you can see. A lot of cream cheese. This is the gelatin. I'm very afraid of this because when I was in high school, I was doing a cheesecake in this cooking class we have. And when we try it, it has these little lumps of gelatin.
I'm not gonna lie, this does not look appetizing yet. I know that it will be. Separate these out into these cake pans. Half of it in each.
I don't want to mess it up. Like this. Try to put it all the way your cheesecake. I'm very excited about my cheesecake. I think I made it. It's very messy to do a cheesecake, let me tell you guys.
I think these are the 3 milks they speak of. I'm just gonna do a little whisking. Oh, that is thick. There's like 9 C's. Well, there.
Our cheesecake is ready. It's time to put it in the fridge like for 3 hours minimum. And let's see what happens.
Just give them little stabs here and there. It's like you're aerating the cake. Woo! Oh yeah, you gotta let that soak in. I'm gonna do it over this one next. Oh, that's very sticky. Woo! Let's pop that on top. There we go. Left a little handprint.
Ta-da! Oh my god, it's done!
Diana, I hope I have done you proud making this cake. I think it looks wonderful and I'm very excited to eat it. And that, my friends, is a tres leches cake.
It's really good. I'm very happy with this. I can taste all of the milks. All 3 of them.
Oh my god, this tastes super good. Dakota, this dessert is amazing. I didn't have any expectation about the flavor. It tastes super yummy-like.
I'm really happy actually with how that turned out. A very milky and rich and like sweet and nice cake. So thank you so much, Diana, for sending that to me. I hope that your cake turned out half as good as mine because mine was really good. I will definitely be making that again. The recipes for both cakes are in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.